umbrella because I don't like the rain. So, I have an umbrella.
Yeah.
Look what I can do with it.
Wow. Done? Can I put this away now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, careful.
Slowly.
What? Yes, you walked slowly. That's good.
Slowly.
That's good. Just watch out for the deep ones because I don't want you to get water inside your boot right before school, right? All right, say goodbye to your fans. I got to put this away before it gets wet.
Please, it won't get wet.
What?
It won't get wet. You have a safety phone umbrella. It's bigger than anyone.
Yeah. Oh, here, I'll show your fans my big umbrella. Woo. All right, but I don't want to carry this.
Please.
Okay.
More video.
Oh, it's still videoing.
No, is it videoing?
Yeah.
It's just a pause.
It's not. You're still videoing.
Yes. Did you pause?
Yeah. Because this is a really long...
Oh, to pause the battery.
Yeah. Alright, so this has been our rainy walk to the bus stop. I'm going to put my phone away now, okay?
No!
Oh, lordy child. This is a long video.
Please.
Are we videoing until you get to the bus stop? Oh, I can't go that long. I'll run out of space.
It's gone down the corner. It's gone the corner. Turn the corner.
Probably not yet, buddy. It's still videoing. No, because it's all wet. Come on.
You like the rain? No.
No, you look like you're loving it.
I want to be the toy. Ethan, want to play invisible soccer? Nope, not today. What? Not right now. Okay, but they get wet.
All right, invisible soccer. Here we go. Oh, good save.